Hi, this is Don Koss, and I'm the TME for the Valor division of Siemens. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the new functionality that was added to the 2504 release of zPlanner. In this video, I'll be talking about the changes to the StackUp Wizard. For the 2504 release of zPlanner, here is a list of the major enhancements. For this video, though, I'll be concentrating on the enhancement of the StackUp Wizard. Specifically, I'll be talking about the enhanced dielectric selection of rigid PCB designs. There is another video that will look at the changes for the rigid Flex Wizard. There were many improvements made in the rigid StackUp Wizard, but the biggest enhancement would be the inclusion of the Automation Intelligence, or AI Advisor. Let's take a look at the details. The StackUp Wizard now combines all the material selection filters into one interface. These filters include parameter filtering, as well as signal integrity, power integrity, and crosstalk. There are also two new filters specifically aimed at glass weave skew mitigation. These two filters are only supported with the 301 version of zPlanner. The first is a filter for materials with square weaves. These are glass styles that have the same number of glass strands in both the X and Y directions. Using the square weave offers the advantage of not having to worry about if the routing direction aligns with the orientation of the glass when working with differential pairs. The next filter is the Automation Intelligence, or AI Advisor. This should not be confused with artificial intelligence, since there is no language model driving the decision, but is done programmatically. For the StackUp Wizard, the AI Advisor supports more intelligent material selection. This can be very useful for a feature considering both performance and cost during the material selection. The AI Advisor includes an intelligent algorithm to help users to self-select ideal and trade-off materials. It understands which materials are good for glass weave skew used in high-speed designs, and it also knows how to avoid over-design in the StackUp. Depending on the position of the StackUp, different materials are proposed based on the know-how intelligence of the AI Advisor. To help mitigate glass weave skew for signal integrity, the advisor will select dense glass weaves over open weave constructions. It will also suggest multiple glass plies adjacent to the signal layers to help minimize decay discontinuities across the signal path. For example, on the signal layer next to a ground layer, a 1067 glass with a small resin window would be preferred over a 106 glass style. For power integrity, the advisor will recommend lower cost glass styles for power to ground and power to power dielectrics. For these dielectrics, 1080 or 106 glass styles would be recommended, along with any materials starting with a 2, 3, or a 7. For example, 2116, 3313, or 7628. So that's a quick look at the updates for the StackUp Wizard.